random lift tour time. This time we're back out at Jerónima Galés Street, and to do proper takes of some lists I got last time I was here. Even to get some unfilmed lives. Anyways, let's see what we have first, and now, so, like we always begin random lift tours around Jerónima Galés Street. We'll roll the first scene. What scene? Disney shop. The shop is almost done. Okay.
María me lo dijo el otro día.
Creo que es una tienda de luces, de decoraciones LED, algo así.
¿De qué?
Decoraciones LED.
¿De decoración?
Mhm.
No lo sé, creo que no. María me dijo otra cosa.
Yeah.
Me habían dicho en MM que era de pintura porque la madre de Juan se había cuidado y que iban a poner. No me acuerdo.
Anyways, this is the eighth time I do like this crap of walking and filming over this immersion. And now, before we get onto this, let's see what's on this side.
¿Para qué dejarán el letrero si ya no pueden abrir hasta el año que viene?
Right.
Tienda abierta durante el año. Ah, que son en varios sitios de Valencia. Aquí no. En Benetús hay una.
Very understandable. Alright. Let's get going. She's pestering me out in here. We're still in here. You're over 97. Apparently some people are still wearing their masks today, but if you're a flat building lift, I'm still gonna wear it anyway. Now we're close to Jerónima Galés Street now. Oh dear. Now we are close. And now here I made it to Jerónima Galés Street. Let's see what we can get today. Not this. That video intercom keypad sound has given you the first hint of the first lift. And now to the first lift, which is located exactly at 71 Jerónima Galés Street. This used to be a really nice older ThyssenKrupp lift, which was originally built in the 90s, but annoyingly it has been modernized by generic company named Ates. If you haven't heard of that company, you should watch of how Atis makes their list as what's seen on my video of the lift at 19 Dr. Tomas Sala Avenue. Anyways, let's ride the lift. Even though the cabin in that lift got a minor refurbishment, and the inner door and the inner doors in this lift were replaced as well. But with this inner door replacement, the doors still run the same. Anyways, let's roll the scene where we ride this lift.
kleed. Dus moet je bij fijne brood was ook wel. Seems to. Some 2 keys. These are for basins. ¿Qué?
¿Eso era alcoholía húmedo?
No.
Now to the next day, which is the exactly 61 Jerónima Galés Street. And after February, I found it open and I have decided to do a proper take of it. Because when I filmed it back in February, I wasn't convinced with the take due to that the sound was the sound was like defuminating or something. Anyways, now here's a proper take of it.
I'm back to film this lift in 61 Jerónima Galés Street. So yeah, pretty much like this lift when I filmed it, but didn't get the best footage though. And 7th. Yes. There's anything in this floor. Look at that. Yeah. Sí. I'm going back to film the lift in the big fat building. I just want to get something just else stuff done. Okay.
Es muy antiguo.
Yeah.
¿Esto no tiene para subir?
Sí.
¿Tiene que subir por las cadenas?
Es también una plataforma de madera.
Ah, como el mío.
It isn't as though it was built that was built in the early 80s. It isn't as old as the others. Oh damn. Yeah.
Pues yo creo que esto es la grava.
No, I didn't. Hello. Yeah. I'm about to retake. I'm gonna try getting something else. Yeah. That's what I said. I was gonna try getting something else rather than this. Let's get going. Ooh,
Esta no es la grava, ¿no?
no, this looks really old.
Esta se llama la calle
María de Molina.
de Molina.
I never remember this street. I never remember this street's name. Ah, I never expected. Yeah.
Ha salido un chico de ahí, pues a cerrar. ¿Esto es nuevo?
Forma del Mercadona.
Ah, esto es lo de Mercadona.
Yeah. That's Mercadona, not the actual companies themselves. They were built in the early 70s. And they're really old. They're already 52 years old now. They might be 52 years old now.
Yo sentar al primer equipo completo y subí a Castilla.
Okay. It's not even used by cars, so anyway, it's not even that, this road isn't even that used frequently, so I'm gonna bother walking on through the road to the other side. Wait a moment. I expected this from this one. No. Yeah. What the hell? What the fuck? Looks like this already is already refurbished. Why the fuck are they doing this to the hole?
Si quieres le das y te unes y ya está, no hace falta que te...
Well, too late.
María que le vive ahí en el segundo.
Nope. Who might be? Who is it this time? As I'm video. Nothing special about it. I'm gonna watch it later when I get home. Hmm? I see. Ya. Creo que ya cerró la peluquería. I now get it. Hey, let's continue. Yeah. I still want to try getting the lift for 81 Jerónima Galés Street. I still want to give the lowest single lift for 81 Jerónima Galés Street a better retake. I hope so. Or maybe I should say drain land because it smells horrible of pipes. So in some case I should call 81 Jerónima Galés Street drain land. Well, quote unquote drain land. Oops. That's much better. I mean, what the fuck am I even thinking by myself?
Queda un poco de carga, por lo menos aguantar.
I know. What if I want to get something else done? Oh.
Para que veas lo que... O sea, yo vengo una... O sea, yo quiero decir...
1 moment. One, and it's here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Espérate que me encienda un cigarro. Y mira el número.
And now to the next lift, which is at 63 Jerónima Galés Street. Now to the lift in there, which is a 70s swing door lift, which is not nice in the 90s by Schindler. This also has D-line fixtures. But however, recently today it's becoming a bit unreliable because the lift company that maintains it is maintaining it very poorly, and nowadays it does really hard stops. Why did they ruin this really nice Schindler? Oh well. Anyways, hope it's in a better state soon.
Ja, de swingeler was dus maar nice bij Schindler. This is similar to what I had in my apartment building in Malaga. Holy shit. This lift really seems to be in a poor state. No. No.
Parece que también huele.
Back to the same place where we started. But this is not over yet. Now, I don't know what I'm about. I don't know what I'm about to fucking do. I just have no idea. This area is now the end of Jerónima Galés Street. But this street is really long. The Spice Munchie Street is one of the longest in Valencia. I don't know what the hell am I even doing. Seems to be nobody around in here. Right. Okay. I'm still gonna have an eye. Yeah. Well, you hold for a moment. I'm still gonna have an eye. Just in case somebody comes in or comes out of drain land. I'm still. I was doing it. Anyways, continue. There's no one to search about. Sit. Very good. And now, this is what really I have not expected.
And after concert, several hours later, I announced the lift at 4 Pakistan Street, which is an original Eric swing door lift. Yes! But annoyingly, the logic in this lift has been replaced. The only original thing in this lift are the swing doors from 1 to 9. From 1 to 9. And so is the lift cab itself.
I wonder what this lift is. Let's find out. Let's walk upstairs to 1. And it seems to be an original live swing lift. A modernized one. Let's just write it. This is a normal nice live swing lift, but this one has logic replaced. So now one is an original. It's an original one. And this was built in the early 70s. What the fuck? I decided this lift to 0. Guess I got cold. I got cold at 5. It's going down. It's going down. Alright. Come out. Yes.
And now we're back. And now, after leaving for Pakistan Street, we went through the same area we were in before entering Consum. And now at 9 to Mass Avenue, and we're gonna retake the Ascensor Sprees lift in there, but this time with my camera instead of how I filmed it last time with my phone.
Sí. I'm just waiting. Vale. No, it's floor. Here we go down again. Essentially, it is still under version. Now for this random lift tour, I'm already done. Did you realise how much of random lift tour I wanted to get this time? How much of this I wanted to get this time? I think it will be possible to get more. But anyway.
caray, te la diga cuando...
Sí. So we're gonna stay home. I'm now tired of filming this, and I'm now done for today. Maybe next week if so. Anyways, we're now home. Let's get inside. Sad I didn't get to retake the lift for Dreamland, but anyway, this is all we could get for today. Wait, no, this is the correct key.
No das la vuelta bien.
True.
Sube 2 veces por el mismo sitio. Por general Barroso 2 veces, por aquí 2 veces.
Bueno.
Al final de la peste estaba cerrado.
Ya.
Otro día.
Otro día. Otro día.
Otro día.
Well, anyway, that's what you could get.
Como te he dicho vamos a comprar, me ha dicho que sí.
Yeah. We should have done it. We should have done that later on.
Oye, verdad, ya me llevo la mascarilla tampoco. Ya no me la voy a poner ya. Por un momento. La llevo en la mano y no me acuerdo.
What the fuck?
Tú no te cansas, ¿verdad, mi amor? Tú no te cansas.
Bueno, a veces.
¿Verdad ella?
Now we're back home.
¿Qué?
Now we are back. I'll tell you later.
¿Llora?
¿Y 7:22?
Ah, pues mira, 7:30.